Welcome to new collection project. The name is Kipris Tech. It is my second part video on Kipris Tech. There is a many details here. Please stay with me. About there. Welcome to Kipris Tech ecosystem. So please read this. Our future on this project. Future efficiency, task, transparency, security. Tokenomics on this project. The token sale information press sales 12 September 2021. Token per price 0.15 drop 3% of your investment. Public sale October 2021. 10 round token round, okay. Price 0.20 to 0.65 add 3% of your payment token information. Ticker cost CST token supply. Blockchain BHC token standard BIP20. Found Alkane development 40%. Marketing 30%. Legal 20%. 12% of operation 24 or 15% add 3%. Okay guys, roadmap on this project. It is clear roadmap with expense team FL 2021. So creating the CST ecosystem, idea research and development, analysis of sport books markets, identically the main problem, hardening the development of the industry, development of the core team. July 2021. Announcement of the project and white paper, development ISO website, crowd and share. Announcement at media and then engagement, preparation background, legal and according. Personal bank and the development project solving exactly industry problem, intercasting with the blockchain community, development of website and testing engagement with the bounty hunter. October 2021, public sales begin. Project launch on the Kupo allocation for Kind Market Cap Coin Gecko Access allocation. Launching the BHC BIP20 token and testing distribution. Processing of the website stability partnership. Let's 2022. Listing on major actions. Launch STC token staking with divided by solution. February 2021, listing of the CST of the past actions. So launch of the forward-looking website and with lawful do and gas or games and country testing. January 2020, two cutting system bids to BHC and BIP20. Standard token of standard live test made in the investor voting system in investor, okay. Support by, okay guys, support by can ranking colleging cryptocurrency in, okay. Listing 10 member, the all member is on Slams project data. Their social media link, Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, Discord, media, Reddit, okay guys. So buy this coin. Please click this right button. We can see buy their coin. Sign in your username, password. So please sign on. So first time you should sign up their site. After that sign in. After that put your username and password and sign in tab. Click this sign in tab. Okay. So it is easily after that you can buy this coin. It is easily buy and sell on this project, okay guys. About this bit smart with crypto stacks, okay. So there is many details here. So I details. If the cryptistic will also offer cost user to the ability to play casino game like Rotor, Blackjack, Poker, Jackpot, Slot, Baccarat, the Plus. Well, to other to win of your casino style games using the random. Now, so ranks will be about soon technology game and transparency security and the test fine playing and of the financial accounts against and using the cryptistic. Guys, there is the many details here, so please visit that site. So cryptistic token. What is cryptistic token? It is, please see it. And the cryptistic token is a essential part of the future sportbook and casino games ecosystem. It is used as the exclusive currency on the crypto stake platform for encouraging better chance about for sport, watch, and casino games. Crypto stake token is designed currency from the what can provide from finance the place the birds. Crypto stake token give the user many advanced stance on top in the encouraging orders patching based on response to facts, cost, and then encouraging a profit. And winning can be the incentive process to do the ecosystem and of the platform access. Action also make when the chance can find on the personal wallet and the website of the account. Or will be like actions the capital stack on the any other capital currency. This can also be if this saying the capital stack and the pound can be the can time to the wallet in the data choose while transaction probably can't in the stuff since this time. Okay guys, you know today the crypto one of the best project on cryptocurrency. Dandari. So I hope this project give us a big good profit. It is the test project on cryptocurrency. Anyway guys, today thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.